Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use a manual breast pump, along with some helpful tips. First, make sure your breast is relaxed. Giving it a gentle massage beforehand really helps. I like to start with quick, short squeezes. This mimics a baby's initial sucking and encourages your milk to start flowing. After a few seconds, I switch to slower, steady presses. That's when you'll notice the milk expressing more easily. And there you have it, fresh milk ready for your little one. It's honestly much simpler than it seems. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. More mom-friendly tips and content are coming your way soon. Bye for now.